Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Badoo dating app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Badoo app and then make sure you already have a Badoo account. Now, once you have an account, simply log into your Badoo account. After that, your homepage will look somewhat like this. And this will be the main homepage of Badoo, where it'll show you the profile of people. So you can simply scroll down, view the details and view the other photos. And if you like their profile, you can simply tap on this love icon and then you will be taken to another profile where you can again go through their profile, view their details, and if you don't like the person, you can simply tap on this cross icon right over here. After that, you will have simply disliked them. Now, this is the main way on how you can use Badoo. You can simply go through their profile. If you like them, simply tap on this love icon, and if you don't like them, you can simply tap on the cross icon. Now, once you've done that, if the other person also likes you on Badoo, they will show up on the likes tab. Now, if you guys both like each other, you will show up on the chat page as a match. And if you guys are a match, meaning you both like each other, you can simply chat with them or send them a message. Now, the fifth option over here is your profile, where you will be able to make changes to your profile. You can try changing your location, changing your name, adding photos, changing profile picture, etc. Once you've done that, if you tap on the nearby option, it'll show you all of the people who are nearby on your location, and then you can go through their profiles one by one. So that's basically how you can use Badoo dating app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.